This video is for my pre-calculus students. We are rewriting a quadratic function to find its vertex. And in a separate video, I'll show you how to graph that. But I want to show you a method that's actually working backward. Before this, we learned how to find the vertex. So I'll show you how we can find the vertex first. We're going to find the vertex first, and then rewrite the function in the standard form. Okay, so consider the following quadratic function given here. Okay, we have g of x equals negative 3x squared minus 18x minus 22. Now, let's label our a, b, and c. A is the leading coefficient, so a is negative 3. B is the coefficient of the linear term, so b is negative 18. Lastly, c, well, you know what, let me not label it because we will not use c when we find the vertex. So all you really need is a and b. So take a look. If you want to find the vertex, let's start by finding its x-coordinate. So here's the vertex formula. Write x equals negative b over 2a. Okay. When b is negative 18, negative b is negative 18. Double negative will make that negative 18 positive 18 on the numerator. And in the denominator, we're going to have 2 times the a value of negative 3. So we have 18 divided by negative 6. And 18 divided by negative 6 is negative 3. Now we have the x-coordinate. Let's find the y-coordinate of the vertex by plugging in that x value back into the function. So to find y, plug in the negative 3 into the quadratic function. So I'm setting up negative 3 times negative 3 squared minus 18 times negative 3 minus 22. I'm going to open up a scientific calculator to evaluate that. So I'm typing negative 3 times negative 3 squared minus 18 times negative 3 minus 22. The y-coordinate of the vertex came out to be 5. Now, we're going to make a little label. We'll write down the answer that the vertex of this quadratic is at negative 3, 5. So box that answer because that's what I'm looking for this as an answer to this question. So we have the vertex. Now, let's write this equation in a different form. Okay? So I'm going to copy the form they want. The form they want is g of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. I'll copy that. So we're doing the second task now, okay? Now what I want to tell you is that we know everything that needs to go in here, okay? First of all, do we know what a is? Yes, we do. We said, look at that red highlight. We know that a is negative 3. We never really said what h is, but h is the x-coordinate of the vertex. Okay? So h stands for the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is negative 3. Lastly, the k is the y-coordinate of the vertex. So all we have to do is plug them in. You ready? So here's the final answer. G of x equals, immediately after the equal sign, we need to place the a value. What's the a value? Negative 3. So you're going to write negative 3, parenthesis, x minus. Now, think about this. I was about to write x minus negative 3. But subtracting a negative, those double negative will actually turn into plus 3 squared. And then put plus k, and k value is 5. So that's it. That is how you write the vertex first. Like find the vertex first, and then use the A, H, and K to write the function in standard form.